Fox 17 News at 10 starts right now.
Thank you so much for joining us tonight. I'm Josh Berry.
And I'm Samantha Mesa. The summer tourism season in West Michigan is on its fall break, but a short-term rental debate returned to an Ottawa County courtroom today.
Park Township and short-term rental owners there have long been arguing over whether the township legally banned them. For nearly a year, the ban has temporarily been lifted after a judge issued a preliminary injunction.
Both parties today asking for the same judge to make a definite decision on the case. Fox 17's Sam Lanstra reports.
Yeah, that's right, you guys. A packed courtroom today for a short hearing because here's the catch. Park Township is currently being sued for how they amended a law last year. But this spring they passed a new one that would also ban short-term rentals. The judge today then asked if the township properly followed procedure this time. Is the case a moot point?
And I'm questioning if that has changed the posture of this case.
Short-term rentals, a critical issue, according to Judge John Holsing.
I'm questioning if counts 1 and 2 that were originally brought that argue the zoning ordinance has been improperly amended have been rendered moot.
He'll take some time to determine whether he has jurisdiction to rule on the case, considering the new ban on short-term rentals.
It's disappointing. Yeah, for sure.
Jeremy Allen, president of the nonprofit that's suing the township, says returning the case to them would be futile.
If it gets kicked back out of the court and we go back to the township, more than likely we end up back here in 6 or 8 months anyways, because the township has already said no.
First, it is our position that the use of these properties is lawful.
Attorneys for Allen arguing short-term rentals have been allowed all along.
The township has said for decades short-term rentals were not regulated, they were legal.
Because this lawsuit is premature and there is no actual case or controversy.
But the township's representation saying all that matters now is the new law.
Like I said, initially it didn't really bother me, but then we started having problems.
Joan Zira, a resident of Park Township, agrees.
Came home on a Friday night and there were 8 women sitting out on the top of a roof with beverages in their hands. You know, how do you call the cops on that?
She's got stories.
How can you regulate and come up with regulations that address all the creative issues that vacationers come up with? You can't.
And says a ban rather than regulation is what's best.
We shouldn't have to be the ones that police those sort of things in our neighborhoods.
Now, it's important to note the new ordinance, the new ban on short-term rentals passed by Park Township, is not currently being enforced because of that preliminary injunction that's also currently in effect. The judge said he will issue a decision on whether he has jurisdiction in this case in the next couple of weeks. For now in studio, Sam Lanstra, Fox 17 News.